Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are new, my name is Masood Karis. This is the Money Mindset channel where we talk about investing, mostly stocks and personal finance. Today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to get, guess what, and come in a little closer, free money. And it's not a scam, it's not a scheme or anything like that. It's just you get free money. So how about if I told you that if you signed up with a link below, the Webull app, you can get 2 free stocks, one for signing up, and then you could deposit even $1 just like I did and get a second stock for free. I'm going to be going over the stocks I got for free and why you should get the Webull app because they give away free money. So let's get into it right now. Now this video, I'm going to kind of go over Webull and my first thoughts of it. But remember, guys, there is 2 free stocks that you could get, and I'll show you guys exactly what I got. But just to recap, there's watch list down below, markets, the Webull app, community, and then menu. I'm going to compare this to Robinhood, and obviously I don't think it's better than Robinhood because of the way it's formatted. It's just kind of complicated, even though it's probably simple. I'm just not the smartest person, so just bear with me. So United States, they have the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. They have their own crypto section. But let's get into the free stocks. You just want to hit menu and then my free stock. So let's see what we got. I actually just got my stock today. GE for $12.14, and that is completely free, guys. That's all I could continue to say because it's just free, free money. These companies, these big companies, these startup companies get a ton of free money that they have to invest, and this is exactly how they get people onto their app, is just to give away free stocks. Robinhood does it. They give away free stock. Remember, guys, link down below for the Robinhood free app as well. So you can get 3 free stocks today once you sign up for both of these apps. But like I was saying, they have all this free money, so they give it away and they incentivize signing up. And there's no catch. You just get 2 free stocks and you can sell it. You can do whatever you want with it. You don't even have to come back to the app ever again. Just cash it out and then you can put it in your bank account. It's easily just like that. And then the second one I had gotten was Sprint, and that comes to a total of $5.22. I got that one for signing up, and then I got GE for depositing $1. So, if you ask me to invest $1 to get 17, why would you ever say no to that? Give me one good reason. I'll wait. You can't. You really just can't. You just click on the link below, sign up. 2 free stocks, easy. I probably get a free stock. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, that's all it is. You see referral bonus and deposit bonus. Easy stuff, guys. I'll probably try to use the app a little bit more. I have a couple dollars to invest. I might just cash out, who knows, but it's free money. I don't even know how many times I said free this video, but it's free. It's so free. It's crazy. Don't be scared to start signing up for things and getting bonuses and getting started investing. Don't be scared, man. It's easy stuff, man. You sign up, put your name in, your address in this game. That's it. That's all it is to it. And you're just clicking a couple buttons when you're investing, especially in stocks. As you can see, my portfolio has been up $300 in the last 3 months in all time. So that's going to grow. My dividends have been booming too. That's going to continue to grow. It's like a big tree. And like I said in my other video, the investment seeds, make sure you go watch that. Here is a link up top. But investment seed, it's like a tree. You just keep on watering it every week. I water my tree every week, and it's going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow into this big oak tree or this big apple tree that's going to continue dropping apples for me so I can eat it. It's a simple concept, guys. All you got to do is just, work hard, save your money, and save a lot of your money so that you can invest a lot of your money. You know what I'm saying? It takes money to make money. I'm probably sure that you've heard of that saying before. Nothing works without money, and you can give yourself the time for this stuff or money, but most likely you need a lot of money. So trade that time in for money right now if you're not trying to start a business or whatever the case is. Save that money and then invest that money into the market, because you're going to get your money over tenfold, especially in the long term. How I do my style of investing and collecting dividends every single week, every single day, every single month. So you can't really beat it, guys. All I'm saying is see the description below. 3 free stocks, because you get the Robinhood sign up, you get a free stock. And then you sign up for Webull, you get 2 free stocks. Do that, guys. Remember, smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I know this is a short video. Please, if you guys have watched this all the way through, thank you. Smash the like button one more time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, guys.